It hasn't hit the mainstream in Australia just yet, but two teenagers on the coast are working hard to make FPV drone racing the next big thing. Hosting Drone Camp in Noosa this week, they're teaching school kids about what it takes to fly with the best.
This is the world of FPV drone racing.
Nurk's making a move. Nurk in green makes the pass.
Bright lights, big on action and plenty of prize money. Now these two teenagers, Connor Middleton and Eamon Kriz, are hoping to bring all this to the Sunshine Coast.
It's really big in other countries such as China and Korea and America. However, it's only starting to take off here in Australia.
This week, they've been educating high school students on this crazy world, hoping to nurture a drone racing community here on the coast.
We've been teaching them how to actually build their drones and what components actually involved when putting them together, as well as actually how to control them.
FPV racing requires pilots to wear goggles. This is what they see when strapped into the hot seat.
When you're actually in the goggles, you actually don't lose orientation, but when you're flying in line of sight, you actually do.
You get a better sense, I feel, of where the drone is. I think it's easier than line to sight flying.
The students did find it a little difficult to master.
There's no forwards on it. You just got to tilt forwards, do up, so you just go full.
Though there's help every step of the way.
So the idea is to bring someone that has no idea what drone racing is and then introduce them into the new emerging sport.
Tim Klingner, Win News.
Enjoyed this Win News item? Like, tag or share with friends.